Hello friends, I hope you are doing good. Okay, in this video I am going to explain the our social share plugins add-on features. Okay, how it will and how you can use it on your website. So I will explain all features in very smart way. So let's start. I am now going to install my plugins. You will able to find this zip file of our add-on when you will purchase add-on from our official website. Okay, so let me, this is our add-on plugins. Okay, so when you will purchase the add-ons from our official website, we will send you the add-on download link on your order confirmation email. Okay, so you will able to download this zip file. Okay, so let's activate. Okay, and now going to preview setting. Okay, as in our free version we have given a limited social share buttons, but here we are going to give a lots of options to choose your share buttons. Okay, like Reddit, Stumblr, Mailbox, Picklist, Blogger, Thumbnail, WhatsApp, BK, Buffer, Telegram, and so on. Okay, so as per your requirement you can choose any buttons on your website. Okay, here we have given the enable share count option. Okay, so you can use this setting if you want to enable the counting option. Okay, if in case after enable the settings, if you found any error on your website, then you can choose the curl option. Okay, because due to some server setting you can get the notification error. Okay, so in that case you can choose curl option. Okay, here we have given the same definition like in free version. Okay, here we given the extra feature to define the OG tag. OG tag basically to define the share window content. Like if you want to define your custom image in share window, like for Facebook or LinkedIn, in that case you can use this one. Okay, and we are given the features here, default and custom. Okay, so if you want to use our custom buttons, in that case you can choose the default option. If you want to use our custom styles as per your website requirement, as per your website design, then you can choose our custom style. So first let me save and see in front end how it's looking. Okay, you can see the custom buttons are looking good. Okay, so in same case we have given some extra features here. Okay, let me activate the counting for Facebook version. Okay, as we are giving a demo on our local host, so you will able to see 0 value. Okay, when you will over the button you will see the total count number. Okay, in same way you can enable the count for Pinterest, Stumblr, Reddit, and Tumblr, and Jing as well. Okay, so these are the server setting. Okay, you can choose any option if you want to choose the sidebar in left, right, or bottom. Okay, so you can choose any option. And if you want to choose different position, if you want to give the different position of the sidebar for mobile, then you can choose this option here as well. Okay, here you can define the delay time. It means when will page load, then you can give the, you can define the time. So after, like if you define the time in second, in 10 second, if you want to display the social share button after page load of 10 second, in that case you can define the time here. Okay, disable mobile audio tag, remove sidebar, you can choose this option like I have already explained in free version. Okay, hide sidebar on page. Okay, so if you want to hide the sidebar for any custom post type or custom taxonomy type, then you have need to check the particular custom taxonomy or custom post type here. Okay, and if you want to hide the home page like share button for home page, in that case you will see home page is now displaying, but they are also not publishing on this page as well, because we have selected the option for page as well. So let me change it and see its work. Okay, so these are the setting. Okay, here you will see able to see define your custom image, like I want to use this image and background color white. Okay, so shape, and let's, it will change the Facebook button. Okay, you see Facebook button has been changed as per your default setting. Okay, so these are the setting. You can use this setting on your website as per your website design, and we have given the custom image path option for all buttons, so you can choose as per your website requirement. Okay, here we have given some add extra features, like if you want to define the distance from left or right, then you can choose the option here. Okay, and total round top margin, like if you want to display the button and 40% from top, in that case you can see the button is showing at bottom. Okay, so to reset these setting, you have need to click on this button, as value was not resetting, so you can see what is now going set. Okay, so these are the sidebar settings. Okay, and same way, and social share buttons, same here. By default we have not enabled the social button. Okay, so first you will need to check box, and after that you have need to check the position of the content. Okay, if you want to show the published content below of the page, above the content, in that case you have need to choose these option, like top of the page, top of the bottom, or bottom of the page. Okay, so I am going to choose it here. Okay, here you need to choose the publish button. Okay, it means where you want to publish these social buttons. In that case you will need to choose the custom post type or custom text type here. Okay, with in sidebar we are going to select the custom sidebar or custom taxonomy to hide the sidebar. Okay, and here we are going to publish the share button on custom post type or custom taxonomy. Okay, so do not confuse about these settings. Okay, so let me, I have enabled the settings for post. So let's see how it will work, like this one. Okay, so you see the button is showing here. Okay, so let me choose some other button like blogger. Okay, in that case blogger is coming, Gmail is coming. Okay, so you can choose the, I have checked the left, now I'm going to choose button, so it's going to change. Okay, so in same way you can change the setting as per your requirement, and these are the setting are also same. If you want to give custom path, then you can select the image from here, library. Okay, and you can choose this option. Okay, so these are the setting for social share buttons. Okay, and if you want to hide, publish these buttons or home page or blog page or search page or category page, or if you want to show these buttons for all archive pages, then you have need to check this box only. Okay, so these are the settings for social share button. Let me display the light box. Okay, we have given the light box option to share the your website with the user friend. Okay, so user can use this light box like refer a friend. Okay, so let me show. Yeah, so first let me enable the email button. Gmail mailbox. Okay, so okay, you will see after enable this. Okay, I have enabled the settings here. Okay, and I have enabled the settings here. Okay, so going to, let me reset these settings, might be it not work. Okay, so let me click on this, it will redirect into my new page. Okay, because we have given the mailbox. Okay, so to enable the lightbox, we make sure this setting should be blank. Okay, so now let me click on this. You will see this is the lightbox. Okay, so user can use this lightbox as refer a friend contact form. You can update the lightbox pop-up heading here like refer a friend. Okay, so you will see refer a friend. Okay, here you can add the subheading as well. Okay, so these are the setting for custom lightbox pop-up. Here you can define the to cc from subject line message and thank you message as well. Okay, so one more thing we have given in the option, you can use any plugin shortcode here. Okay, if you want to use, like if you are using the contact form 7 in your plugin, okay, and want to the add your contact form 7 plugin shortcut here, then you can do it very easily. You will have need to, like, this is my one custom contact form, so I am going to this one. Currently it's showing my custom. Okay, now it will, yeah, you can see this is showing on basis of my custom shortcode. Okay, so here you can choose any form or any shortcode to publish the content in lightbox. Okay, it's not necessary you can use this button for only for form. You can, if you want to display some content or more important information, then you can use this one. So these are the custom share button and custom share buttons. Okay, you can, we have given the 6 buttons here, 8 custom buttons here, so you can choose these button. You can use these buttons as your buttons. Like I'm going to use this button as my custom button. Okay, so I have given here and I'm going to save the setting. Let me refresh. Yeah, you can see the button is displaying here. Okay, so these button, basically custom button will work only floating sidebar, it will not work with social button. Okay, so you can use this button as your custom button, in same way you can use other button as well. Okay, and last button we have given, you can use this button as text button, means you can define the text here like request a callback, and you can choose the settings as per your website design. Okay, so these are clear. Now let's come on add shortcode and advanced setting. Here you will able to see a short custom button shortcode. Okay, using this button you can display the social buttons on any website, social share button on any page of your website. Okay, like let me give you an example, add sidebar on page. Okay, sorry, post, I'm going to example to post. Okay, so these are the buttons. Okay, buttons. Okay, so these are the buttons. Okay, so let me show you how it works. These are our service page, and now I want to display the social buttons and top of the page. Then you have need to add the button and publish the page. You will see the social bear button are showing here. Even I have disabled the buttons for page as well. Okay, we have disabled the pages and custom share buttons for pages as well, but using shortcode buttons are showing here. Okay, so these are the setting of our plugins. And if you want to use, we have given some extra features. If you want to use our social plugin, social sharing button as your social button, okay, on means you want to give official website social website link. So if you don't want to use the social share button as sharing, okay, so if you want to use just the normal button like social buttons, not social share button, in that case you need to define the you have need to define the your official website, like this is our Twitter. Okay, so let me give the Twitter official website. Okay, so before sharing the button, I want to show how Twitter is working. Okay, you see the Twitter, when you are going to click on Twitter button, it's displaying the current page content with their title and share window. Okay, so let me save settings and see how it works. You will see the button are redirect to official website, so you can use your social share button like your button, your normal social buttons as well. Okay, so we have given one more feature here, so you can define your Twitter username. So when user will click on the button, it's going to redirect because I have. So basically these Twitter username will work when you will use social Twitter button as social share button. Okay, so you can see the your username is, or your Twitter username is by default going to add in social share button. So in that case, if someone will share your website content from Twitter on Twitter from their Twitter account, okay, in that case you will get the notification what page has been shared on Twitter account. Okay, so these you can use this setting. Okay, and here the setting of the define the border. Okay, if you want to show the Twitter below the Facebook button. Okay, so let me change the ordering and refresh the page. Yeah, you can see Facebook button is now going to above the Twitter. Okay, so these are the custom setting, you can change the setting here. So guys, I hope all is clear for you. Okay, so you can choose the sharing button settings as per your requirement. We have given a lots of feature here. Okay, so last thing I want to show you the custom share button. Okay, here you can choose your custom background color and these for social share button, these for sidebar and these for. Okay, so let me show how it works. You can see button are or displaying in very smart way with blue color. Okay, so let's show you, let me check the these are buttons showing in as a background color. Okay, but these buttons showing in blue color. Okay, so let me make it same. Okay, and background color is white. Okay, let me make the both button same. Okay, so these are both button are same. So you can use these but custom style as per your website when you want to use your custom button as per your website. Okay, if you want to use your default standard color of the buttons, then you can choose default. Okay, and otherwise you can choose the custom style. Okay, custom style button, in case of custom style button you will not able to use the these feature, you will not able to upload feature, custom upload feature. Okay, so when you will go with custom style, it means all buttons will be displayed with same color. Okay, so these are the setting. Here you can search, you can use the our social share plugin on your website to increase the traffic on your website. So we have given a lots of feature as per your requirement. You can use anyone. Basically be in this plugin, I want to let you know there are no any hidden script and neither use any unused code. Okay, so it's totally lightweighted plugin. We are not using any script in this plugin, so you can choose our plugins as your best choice to use social share plugins. Okay, so if you have any query related to our plugins, if you want to know more about plugins, then you can visit our official website www.wp-experts.in. okay, here we have given the details of our add-ons under product section. Okay, here you will able to the all settings or plans details on our social website. Okay, so I will provide you the link in video inbox as well, so you can easily access the our add-on page. Okay, so guys, I hope you will use it on your website and you will enjoy it. It really will helpful to grow your site traffic. Okay, and you can use the setting of the plugins on your website to make design to make fit the design of the social share button. So take care guys, I will back again with new video and with new information. Okay, if you want to give any feedback, then you can leave in comment box, or you can leave your valuable feedback on official website too as well. Okay, and if you want to give any suggestions to improve our plugin functionality, if you want to add any new features in our plugins, in that case please suggest and leave your message in comment box. Bye guys, take care, I will back again with new video.